Welcome to the introduction of the International Association of Certified Practicing Engineers. ICPE is built upon three legs: knowledge, certification, and networking. We began writing the Coleman's Handbook of Process Equipment Design in 2007. We're very honored it has been well received all over the world. We'd get emails from students asking for student discount. The handbook is mostly purchased by companies, so the cost is high for students. In June 2014, we developed an idea to start an engineering association and utilize the handbook to train and certify individuals at a student rate. We're now in our 5th year of the association. In April 2015, we started Engineering Practice Magazine, which is the official magazine of the International Association of Certified Practicing Engineers. We're now in our 4th year of readership, and we're approaching 5,000 readers per issue. You should consider publishing and advertising in Engineering Practice Magazine. Knowledge. One of our legs of CPE is knowledge, provides the standards of professional competence and ethics for engineering, maintenance, and operations personnel through our training modules. Encourages engineering, maintenance, and operations personnel participate in a continuing education program of personal and professional development. The broad-based knowledge you'll gain from our modules will make you perform much better in an interview. We're honored that we got a thank you message from an engineer taking our program, Certified Practicing Project Manager Program. He said he was able to answer every one of the interview questions and got hired based on the knowledge he gained from studying the program. Knowledge certification. We identify and recognize those individuals who meet the standard. As our network grows, there will be people looking to hire someone with this qualification. In 5 years, you may be the person that's hiring, and you will know to hire a person with this certification. Networking. Your best jobs will come from a referral when one of your friends has recommended you. ICPE holds conferences and seminars. ICPE has meetings in your area. We held a meeting in one of the areas, and one of the young engineers said, well, I wasn't sure if I should come to the meeting or not. He said, I'm going to come to every meeting you have because the people I met here are the people who I need to meet. Hiring someone with this qualification. You need to hire someone. You don't know if they're qualified. If they have ICPE certification, you'll know they have solid engineering fundamentals. We currently have 9 partner universities, 8 in Indonesia and 1 in Malaysia. We have 2 partner institutes and association, 1 in India and 1 in Indonesia. In 5 years, our goal is to have 5,000 members all over the world having knowledge of the benefits and the value of ICPE. This network will be a great asset and a resource for you and your career. If you're the boss, this is who you want to hire. If you're looking for a job, this certification will help you. It'll help you with a certification, and it'll also help you with knowledge to interview. All CPE level 1 and above, we want to post your bio, CV, resume on the website. So make sure you fill out a form to include in the IACPE website. Industry certifications. In the USA, there's what's called a professional engineer. It's called a PE, and it's administered by the state governments. In Texas, state of Texas, you get a Texas PE. In Kentucky, you get a Kentucky PE. There is standard study material, then a test over the study material. It gives an independent certification of your engineering fundamental knowledge. There's also additional requirements of continuing education to keep your knowledge current. CPE follows this model. There's standard study material, and this gives an independent certification of your knowledge. And then there's a continuing education to keep your knowledge current. In Australia, there's what's called the certified engineer. In Singapore, there is a professional engineer administered by the government. Positive government recognition. It's very recognized in that country. We encourage you to get all the certifications that you qualify for, national and international. Of course, the international certification that we recommend is Iacpe. What are the levels in CPE? Well, the first level you get is CPE Engineering Training, EIT. When you pass the first 6 modules, you get CPE Level 1. You pass another 7 modules, you get CPE Level 2. You pass another 7 modules, you become a certified practicing engineer. For those with advanced degrees or 10 years experience, we have an executive CPE. We were asked by our industrial board to come up with some certification programs. So we developed these certification programs. Certified Practicing Project Manager, Certified Practicing Safety Professional, Certified Practicing Safety Specialist, Certified Practicing Risk Specialist, Certified Practicing Commissioning Specialist. These include 8 training modules, study questions and tests, a 2-hour webinar to review the program and question and answers, and then there's a 1-hour oral exam. For business professionals, there's a Certified Practicing Crude Analyst. It would be a great program for business professionals who wish to work in the petrochemical industry. Requires specific combinations of knowledge and experience. Crude oil analyst and trading through examination includes 8 training modules, study questions and tests, 2-hour webinar to review the program, question and answers, and a 1-hour oral exam. For operating training, Certified Process Technician. My career, I started as an operator. And then I went to night school and got an engineering degree. The Certified Process Technology prepares students for high-paid careers such as process technicians, operators, research technicians, or laboratory technicians. Process technicians can find employment in petrochemicals, refining, fertilizer plants, pulp and paper mills, power mills, utilities, food and beverage, and pharmaceuticals. There's a 3-part program that could be done at your own pace and part-time. It would be a great career for your friends that are looking for a good career. We go to many places and we introduce CPE and we speak at colleges. We tend to get asked a lot of the same questions. What is the value of CPE? Where is IACPE recognized? Why do I need to study other fields of engineering? And what is my benefit? What is the value of CPE? 5 years from now, you may walk into an interview. They will not ask you what university you attended. It's on your CV. They will not ask you your certifications. It is on your CV. They will ask, what are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? They will ask, tell me about your last project. If you say, we installed a pump with foundation, piping, and electrical, they'll say that is good. In the notes, he'll write down 5 years experience, first year level. Do not hire. If you say we worked on a revamp, I led a team that installed 20 pumps with foundations, piping, and electrical, he'll say, this is good. 5 years experience, 5-year level, consider hiring. If you say I worked on a team, we looked at new projects for our facility, we looked at the design, install costs, return on investment, they'll say this is great. 5 years experience, 10-year level, hire quickly. The difference between 1, 2, and 3 is knowledge and how you learn. Where is IACPE recognized? IACPE is a registered company in Malaysia and USA. IACPE is a registered association in Indonesia. We have 8 partner universities in Indonesia, a partner university in Malaysia, partner training institute in India, and a partner association in Indonesia. Why do I need to study the other fields of engineering? In level 1 modules, you'll study some mechanical engineering, some civil, some chemical, some IT, some industrial, as well as others. So we're asking you to to study and have some knowledge of a broad range of engineering. At some point, your boss may have a different engineering background than you. If you have a knowledge of their background, you will understand how they think, you'll be able to relate to them better, making you look excellent. At some point, you may be the boss with people working for you with different engineering backgrounds. Having this knowledge will make you a more effective leader. What is my benefit? Knowledge. In 5 years, you want to have the 10 years experience. You will want to have an understanding of the other disciplines so that you can be their boss, not the other way around. Iacpe, knowledge, certification, networking. All the best in your career and life.